These 5 simple bodyweight exercises can fix almost every single mobility problem you are dealing with right now. No gym, no weights, no excuses. 5 moves, 10 minutes, 3 times a week. That is all it takes to bulletproof your joints and stay active for decades. If you are tired of waking up with a stiff lower back, tight hips, or clicking knees, stop stretching blindly and start moving with purpose. Let's break down the ultimate daily routine. Number 1. The reverse Nordic curl. This is your foundation for powerful legs and lifelong knee health. Most people assume knee pain is just a normal part of getting older, but it's usually caused by weak, stiff thighs pulling on your joints. The reverse Nordic curl strengthens the muscles supporting your knees while restoring flexibility to your quads. To do it, kneel on a soft mat. Keep your body in a perfectly straight line and slowly lean your torso backward as far as you can control. Pull yourself back up using only your thighs. Aim for 3 sets of 5 to 10 slow reps. Number 2. The 90-90 hip switch. Most lower back pain is actually caused by deep hip stiffness. When your hips lock up from hours of daily sitting, your lower spine is forced to take the hit. The 90 of 90 hip switch breaks this cycle by restoring hip rotation and instantly relieving joint stress. Sit flat on the floor with both legs bent at 90-degree angles. Keep your torso tall and slowly rotate your knees over to the opposite side using your hip muscles. Use your hands behind you for support if needed. Aim for 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps per side. Number 3. The deep squat. This is a natural human resting position. If you want to know your true biological age, try holding a deep squat. Most adults lose this ability, leading to lower back aches and stiff joints. The deep squat acts like a natural reset button, relieving spinal tension and restoring mobility to your hips, knees, and ankles. Drop your hips all the way down toward the floor while keeping your heels firmly planted. Push your knees outward with your elbows or hold a door frame for balance. Aim for 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Number 5. The Superman hold. Many people rely strictly on stretching to fix a stiff back, but the real solution is making it stronger. The Superman hold activates the deep back muscles that go dormant from slouching over screens, creating a strong, protective corset around your spine. Lie flat on your stomach with your arms and legs extended. Lift your upper chest, arms, and thighs just a few inches off the floor using your back muscles. Squeeze your shoulder blades and look down to protect your neck. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Here is your complete routine. Do this 3 times a week. That is it. If you want to stay strong, healthy, and pain-free for life, make sure to watch this video next. Start today, and I will see you in the next video.